Hi, this is my 5.1 Phillips curve retake. So to start off, the this is the long run and short run Phillips curve, where the LRPC is this vertical line and the SRPC is this red line right here. The natural rate of unemployment is displayed in the where LRPC intercepts SRPC, and there's a negative relationship between inflation and price levels because in the short run, if unemployment decreases, inflation tends to increase, as seen as this graph here, where when unemployment decreases, inflation increases. So this way and this way. And then, so it's like more demand for labor, unemployment will decrease, and then wages and prices will go up, which leads to inflation. So that's why there's a negative relationship. And then the 3 points representing a recessionary gap are R right here. It means recession, where there's high unemployment and low interest rates, and it's labeled on the graph here. Inflationary gap, where high interest rates, high inflation rate, and low unemployment, which is right here. And full employment, which is the NRU, where LRPC intersects SRPC. So what happens to the short run Phillips curve when there's a change in aggregate demand and aggregate supply? When aggregate demand is shifted up, when aggregate demand increases, the short run Phillips curve, you're going to move along the short run Phillips curve to the left, also known as an inflationary gap. And if it decreases in aggregate demand, you're going to move to the right, also known as a recessionary gap. And then for aggregate supply, if you decrease in aggregate supply, you're going to move up on the Phillips curve, which would increase inflation and unemployment, which is bad. But if you increase supply, the SRPC is going to go down, which would decrease unemployment and decrease inflation, which would be good.